Okay, I've got a model that I worked on recently in X12, and the procedure is the same in Home Designer Pro 2021. Okay, I'm going to go over here to File, in this case, Open Layout. I'm going to go to My Documents, X12, Templates, Layout Borders, Imperial, that's US measurements. And I'm going to go to, here's Architectural D. I could go, okay, here's Architectural E, 36 by 48. It's a blank layout. So there's more than one way to send an image to a layout. Going to go here, send a layout. There's a dialog box here. And you can send the current screen. Let's do that. And if in order to make it larger on this printed page, I'd have to upsize it using the X key, corner, okay. But when you enlarge it, it tends to get fuzzy and pixelated when you enlarge an image. So that's not really the ideal thing. I'm going to go back, delete that, and go back to the original camera view. I'm going to go File, Send a Layout, Current Screen as an Image. Let's try that. It's a lot larger, so you don't have to upsize it. This is 3 feet by 4 feet, you understand? Bring that in, get rid of that goofy looking edge of the, that's much better. And you zoom in, and it's a lot less pixelated. So that's what I was talking about. Now, exactly what you're talking about, I'm not quite sure. I guess you can do this. We'll go back to that image and go here to File, Export, Picture. Now in this dialog, you can specify what the resolution is and what the height and width are. See, it's by default it's checked use window size, which mine's about, I forget exactly. It's large. Well, there it is right there. I'm going to retain the aspect ratio, and let's see. I'm just looking at what's available there. Okay, here's the width. That's 25 inches by 10 inches. Let's make it 48 inches for like a 36 by 48. It'll come out 48 by 20. Of course, we've got this over here, so I'd probably make it 66 by 27. Okay. And I'm going to change the resolution to 100. Click OK. I'm going to save it to my desktop. They'll call it Untitled. And it's exporting the picture. Of course, doing it this way without the layout, then it's unedited. Okay, now I'm going to minimize Chief, close the trial, and find that image. There it is. I'm going to double click on it and open it in an image display. It's a lot less pixelated than on when sent to layout within the software. And it's big. Let's see what. How big is it? It's over a megabyte. I could have exported it at the size of a billboard and done anything I wanted with the resolution. Now I don't know if that's the same in Home Designer Pro. I was doing it in X12, Premiere. Let's see. See, the thing is, in the Pro Trial, which is that's what I have, you can't print or export things. So that's the reason I had it open before. But let's just take a look. Let me. All right. Just do a new plan. Okay. Let's keep this really simple. Didn't mean to open that dialog. I just wanted to create a small test structure. Okay. Now I'm going to go File, Export, Picture. Oh, yeah, it won't let me do that. Okay. I should be able to. Now I'm not going to go through the whole rigmarole of resizing this, but I'm going to go to File, Print, Drawing Sheet Setup. You know, Pro Trial doesn't print, but I see here's the sizes. I'll make it 36 by 48. Yeah, the CAD didn't get any larger. I'm just going to delete that. And now I'm going to go back to that. And I think what I'll do in this particular case, I'm going to use this marquee zoom tool and eliminate dead screen, as much dead screen as is possible. And then send the layout. And I want current screen as an image is going to send it the largest you can using the layout. Okay, and see, there's the outline of the layout page, I think. I think that's it, yeah. Move it over a little bit. So you get the idea? I just want to hardly finish. I'm going to have to press the X key and then downsize. Downsizing, it actually increases the pixels per inch. So it's not all bad. So you can do this in Pro. That's 36 by 48. And it's a huge image. Now, if you zoom in really close, you can see it pixelates some. But I just thought, I didn't know if you knew about some of these conventions and commands and the different results involved, but I thought I'd show you. Hope this helps you. If it doesn't, well, I gave it a shot.